Are you aware that there are multiple ways to make money big time with your smartphones? Are you curious about the importance of digital finance and how to liberate yourself economically?
Wait a minute. So in this video, I'll be showing us how we can earn so much from Mara Exchange. It's very possible and likely that you can earn over $1,000. So just in case you don't know, this is the best time to earn big and earn so much with Mara Exchange before the benefits in this program is reduced or even stopped. Alright, so what's Mara? We are the platform of 1 billion Africans to learn while building digital wealth through blockchain. Mara is on the cutting edge of crypto. We deliver the possibilities of this new world with a focus on ease, simplicity, and education. Now, the Mara wallet, one of our first products, will soon be available for downloads on Apple and Google Play stores. The portal to the future is here. Won't you join us as we step inside? So this is one of the amazing opportunities right now that you can be able to participate using the Mara wallet. The Mara wallet is currently available and you can be able to earn so much by just downloading the Mara wallet. And if our adventure you also want to even earn so much more, you may likely want to share your affiliate link or join the Champions program to earn more. So one of the differences is that with a regular affiliate program, you only earn directly from whosoever you get onboarded to the platform. Now outside of that, you are able to earn more if you are on the Champions program. So what's the benefit of the Champions program? The Champions program is that for whosoever that gets signed up, whosoever they signed up, you get a commission from that. You are able to earn $0.50, that's about 50 cents, from every single referrer that they bring on board. So just to tell you how amazing Mara is, now Mara has been able to raise over $23 million from Coinbase and FTX. This tells you that Mara is seen as a great opportunity to build here in Africa, and a whole lot of foreign venture capitalists are seeing it as an exchange that is going to be explosive in the coming years. So this is the best time to come on board, get people on board, and make money while you do so. So I'll take us through the step and show us how to get started. So you are able to earn over $1,000 if you are able to replicate the strategy that I'm going to show you here. So what is the first thing? The first thing is to sign up. So you click on the link. I'll provide the link in the description of this video. You click on the link and it takes you to where you'll be able to download the Mara wallet. And so you've been invited by Precious. So all you need, so let's do that. So I'm going to download on Play Store. We're done downloading the Mara wallet, and we just open. Now you see the Mara wallet is open, so we get started. Welcome to the Mara wallet pre-launch. So next, and faith. Okay, we'll do that very quickly, as quick as possible. So we'll open our email. Yeah, Mara wallet. We've just been able to verify. So I've just been able to put in most of the I agree, and I'm just going to submit that. Now a code has been sent, and I'm going to pick up the code quickly. So I'm about to put in the code 159335. Submit. You are on the waiting list, right? Now the registration is completed. You've just been able to join the Mara waiting list, right? You can click to earn rewards, and this is how you earn rewards with Mara. All you just have to do is to copy this link and then share with your friends, share with your social media platform, and when anyone sign up just like this, you earn $1 each. For every single person that joined the Mara platform via your link, you earn $1, and they earn $2 once they join the Mara platform. But it can get so exciting and interesting. Say you've just this account I've just gotten $2. So somehow it's somewhere around the 693,000 registration. Now it gets so amazing that you can even earn more. If you look here at the top right below this icon here, right, you notice that this is just an ordinary account. You can be able to scale up to become a Mara champion and earn more. When your friends who you've invited to the Mara platform invite more people to the platform, you get to earn more. So I'll be creating another video to talk about how to become a Mara champion, and you'll be able to earn more by becoming a Mara champion. Thanks for watching. Please do well to like our videos, subscribe, and share.